Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1998 Toyota Avalon. Vehicle came in. There's a rattle coming from the driver's side front every time they hit the bump. So I removed the tire, I checked the front end out, and I noticed this sway bar that's mounted to the frame, the bushing is gone. So every time you hit a bump, it starts to do this. So I'm going to be putting on a new bushing. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a sway bar bushing that bolts the sway bar to the frame. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this bracket. There's two bolts, one here and one there. We're going to be removing the two bolts and removing this bracket. So this is the sway bar bushing. You notice there's a split in it. You're going to be opening it up and sliding it over the sway bar. But before I do that, I'm going to be putting a little bit silicone inside, right in here. This is an option, you don't have to. But I just put a little bit silicone, get a little lube. Okay. Putting this guy over the sway bar. So I got some silicone spray. This is optional. Give them a little bit lube on the outside of the bushing. So my bracket, I just slip it over and then bolt it down to the frame. Okay, so now everything is solid. You're good to go. So that's how you replace a sway bar bushing. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Aloha.